Welcome back for another episode of Knitting Science. Today we're going to learn how to use stitch markers. This is how the stitch marker looks. So usually when you use a stitch marker, you might have a pattern and it might call for a certain amount of stitches. So you just put your stitch marker on to mark the certain amount of stitches. So you can just slide it on, and it's also like a safety pin. That's a good feature of these type of stitch markers. It's like a safety pin, so you can take it off and on as you need to, as opposed to the ones that's just like rings and you can't slide those off and on. And this is how it should look with your stitch markers on. Thanks for watching Knitting Science.